Google's Gemini 3.0 is finally here and it's incredible. And in this video, I'll show you how you can start using Gemini 3.0 in n8n today. So hey everyone and welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel. And in the next few minutes, we will go over everything from getting your API key to using the impressive features offered by Gemini, which includes not only text generation but also like analyzing images, audio and video. So enough talk and let's jump in. So first, I'll teach you how you can get your API key. So for that, just go over to your Google AI Studio and click on Get API Key. And after you click on that, you click on Projects and you create a new project. So I'll just name my project as Gemini 1 and I'll click on Create My Project. Now after my project is created, I'll go over my API keys option. So after I'm here, I'll just click on the create API key on the top right corner. So I'll just name my API key as Gemini 1 and I'll select my cloud project as Gemini 1 and I'll create my API key. Now it's gonna generate the API key for me, and after I have my API key, I can just copy this API key and that's it for now. So that's how you get your API key. Now I'll just go back to my n8n dashboard. So from the n8n dashboard, what you need to do is you need to create a workflow. So on the top right corner, you see a create workflow option over here. So just click on that. And let's just rename this as Gemini tutorial. And okay, cool. So now I'll simply add a trigger manually. You see a plus icon over here, just click on it and add a trigger manually node. And after I've added the trigger manually node, you also see a plus icon over here. So just click on it and select Google Gemini. And after I select the Google Gemini option, you can see that it comes with a whole bunch of different actions like analyzing audio, analyzing documents, analyzing images, analyzing video, and much more. So let's just start with the fundamentals. So for now, I'll just click on message a model action. And after I have clicked on that, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to connect your Gemini credentials here. So I'll just click on the drop down arrow and I'll select create new credentials. Then I already have my API key copied, so I'll just paste my API key over here and I'll click on the save button. So you can see that my connection has been established successfully. So I'm gonna go back. Then after that, you go down to the model list and you have a bunch of different models that you could choose from. So the recent model is Gemini 3, but in this update, I don't have Gemini 3. So I'm gonna show you everything by Gemini 2.5 Pro, and trust me, everything's the same, so you don't have to worry about it. You just need to select Gemini 3.0 in your own device. So now we can really interact with it like any other model. So let's just say, hey, why is the sheep white? And then I'll just test it by executing the step. So I'll just click on execute step button over here and it's gonna generate the output for me. So if you have set up everything correctly, you will receive a response and we will do. And if everything is set up correctly, we will receive a response, which we do. So here we go. So we have our response by Gemini model over here. That's a great question. The short answer is to humans made them that way, blah, blah, blah. And we have a whole output over here. So I'll just go back for now. So now the Gemini 3.0 Pro model already includes reasoning, and at the moment there's really no way to change the reasoning effort in n8n. But of course, knowing n8n, they will probably release an update by the time you watch this video. So yeah. Now, besides generating text, Gemini 3.0 is also a multi-modular model. So it's able to analyze audio, video, and images. So let's see that in action. So I'll delete this node and I'll click on Google. I'll select Google Gemini again. So now we will have a look at Gemini's ability to analyze images. So let's again, I've added my Gemini node. So now I'm going to select analyze an image option from here. And then again, you need to connect a tutorial. So I have my API account over here. I have my resource. I have my operation. Then the model I'm going for is Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I'm going to keep my text input same, that what's in this image. And now your input type could be uh, of two types. Like you could either insert an image URL or you can insert a binary file. So I already have an image URL for this particular image. So I'll just copy this URL and I'll paste it over here. And let's just see if it's able to analyze this image for us. Okay, so it doesn't support MIME type of images. So you can really go over to ChatGPT and just ask for any other image that you want it to be analyzed. And I'm pretty sure that it will generate an output for you. So you know what, I'll just do it for you. I'll go over to my ChatGPT and I'll ask ChatGPT that generate me a prompt, generate me an image URL in JPEG format. So let's do that. So I'll just copy this URL now and let's just see if this works. So now I'll click on execute step. So as you can see in our output, Gemini has analyzed this image for us. So based on the image provided, this is a placeholder screen from a Ring doorbell system. It features a solid light gray background with the text Ring doorbell snapshot written in a slightly darker gray sans serif font in the center. So you know what, I'll just copy this URL over here and I'll show you how the picture is. And that's how the picture looks like. So our analysis of the image is pretty accurate. And now except this, we can also send in binary files that were either passed into the workflow or generated within the workflow, right? So that's it for now. Now we'll look over the Gemini's ability to analyze a video. So for that, just click on plus icon over here again and select Google Gemini. And then go over to analyze a video. Then you select your credentials. Then I have my resource as video, operation is analyze video. I select my model as 2.5 Pro. And remember, Google Gemini 3.0 model is already out. So you can just download and install n8n and it's gonna show 3 models for you. So select that and the analysis would be more accurate and more better. So I really expect you to do that from your end. In the input type, you can either insert a video URL or a binary file. So I already have a video URL right now. So this is the video that I have. And yeah, so I'm just gonna copy this video and I'm gonna paste it over here and let's just see what happens. So as you can see, we have the analysis of this video, that this is a short animated video clip of a serene and enchanting forest scene. And we saw that it was the forest scene. The central focus is a large leafy tree growing atop a small grassy mound. Nestled among the trees, prominent root is a dark brown entrance to a burrow or den. So yeah, we have the analysis of this video. So like this, you can also analyze your audio. For instance, just delete this note, click on the plus icon, select Google Gemini, and go over to analyze an audio. And similarly, you just insert your audio URL and it's gonna do that for you. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also share this video with your friends, and also let me know in the comments what automation you want me to cover next. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.